Hey guys, let me show you what Ramon's got himself into over here. He's got a black car we're making black again, which is not what we do all the time, but we can do it. So if you have it that you need done, you want to make the same color, we can do that too. But this is, I just wanted to show you a little bit of the process. It starts as a big bulk piece, and what he's doing now is trying to figure out how to lay the material down and how it's going to lay best and smooth and cover up all the edges. The same process if it was a color change. But this particular time, we're just making the same color. It's actually just as fun. It's not as dynamic as a color shift. I'd reach in there and help, but he gets super mad when you help him. Like, he gets super mad at me. He'd be like, do not touch my stuff, every time. So this is kind of some of the stuff that they're covering up. In case you're wondering, like, why black to black? So like, there's got some scratches, some things you just can't get out with buffing, and we're gonna resurface the car in their favorite color, black, I'm assuming. But this side right here is done already. You can kind of see from here back is wrapped. Once we get it all done here in a few days, we'll show you a little roundabout, get it all shiny, make it look all pretty. It's gonna be super cool. Like I said, if you want to do it, we can do it. Whatever it may be. I wanted to show you this little Bobcat. This is something that we don't always tint, but this is our third one we've done. This is like, you know, it's something that has glass. People are in it all the time. They're hot. They're super hard to tint. Most of them are, because they've got a bunch of extra equipment and stuff that you have to cut around, and you have to like make it work, and you have to do it nice, and they're actually super expensive if you break them. So you want to be super careful of those. But yeah, he's done a lot of those. This is his third one this week, I think. So we've got a lot more of them to do, I think, from what I understand. They're kind of fun. They're like little tanks. But yeah, we'll get you a picture of this wrap and some videos of it. It should be pretty cool. I always like watching him work. He gets really into it. He's kind of busting his hump right now. A lot of people know he just had a baby. He just had a new baby. He's bought him an Escalade. He's put in some extra time to try to make up all that money he's been spending on that big family he's got. So he's a hard worker. And I love it. I love it. This is going to be a fire wrap job. So if you want something like this, make sure you subscribe to our page and see our work and message us, like, comment, whatever you need. Just hit us up. We'll be glad to help you. Appreciate it. Thanks.